I like lean so much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff off Amazon and I have this huge box beside me full of it, and I'm gonna show you guys because before I bought everything, I was like, I need to do my research, and I was watching Amazon hauls. I was looking at people's wish lists. I was watching those things you need off Amazon on TikToks. Like, I'm obsessed with those videos. They're just amazing. So I definitely did my research. I'm very happy with everything so far. So if you want to know what I got off Amazon, just keep on watching. And also, if you want to see a tutorial on this look right here, it will be on my Instagram, so make sure you go check that out so you can see the whole tutorial and follow me. Follow me on all my social medias. It's linked right here as well as down below in the description box, as always. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so a pet peeve I have with Amazon is I don't understand why I need to get 100 packages for one order. You know what I mean? Like, put it all in one box, or like I understand maybe 2 boxes, but I had 5 packages in total, and like there was one time, so I go down to my concierge to go get my packages, and I had 3 packages ready for me, and those like the mailers, and there's one item in each of the packages. It blows my mind. It makes me so angry. I doubt Amazon's watching this, but if you are, can you fix this? Because you're literally wasting so much like packaging. It's annoying. Anywho, let's get into the haul. I'm so excited about it. Okay, first I got this electric milk frother. I could never say that word right. Milk frother. Whatever. Yeah, I got this one. It has 2 attachments, so here it is out of the box. Press the button. Oh, it's giving me a nice breeze. So there comes with 2 attachments. This is just like the one little spiral, and then there's one with 2 spirals. It's in my drawer though. I have a milk frother that came with my Nespresso machine, and I like to use that like solely for like the milk. But if I want just like an instant coffee and I'm putting creamer in, which my new obsession creamer is the Bailey's creamer that I got off Costco. It's like a 2-pack. I'll show you guys. Anywho, this is the creamer. It's so good. I like putting Bailey's in my coffee, but you know, when you're like getting ready to go to work and stuff, you kind of can't have alcohol in your coffee. So non-alcoholic version, it literally tastes the exact same. It's so good. So I like to like make it all frothy in a cup, and then I'll like have my cup of coffee, and then I'll pour the creamer in it when it's all nice and fluffy and cream and like good, you know? Okay, another thing I might as well talk about because it's right on my wrist, is this Apple Watch band. So I got my Apple Watch for my birthday, and I wanted something that wasn't as sporty, you know, when you like I want to wear my watch all the time. So I found this like really cute, simple one. It's like more for every day. I definitely want to get more Apple Watch bands. So if you guys have any like recommendations of cute ones, link them down below, or like let me know about it because I want to know. This one is really cute. It's like, you can tighten it, magnetic. It's cute. It kind of yanks on my arm hairs a little bit, but it's not that bad sometimes. It's like it's pretty iffy. Okay, next, I bought this because I saw it on Tony Sevdalis. I can never say her last name. Sevdalis' Amazon favorites video, and it's a facial steamer. So, I like to do this. I put filtered water in it, and then I do this before I add my hyaluronic acid to my face so it's nice and damp and just like locks in the moisture. Plus it just feels like so good. Okay, another thing I got is I had a pink phone case on for like the longest time, probably for like a year now. When I got my new phone, I got the case, and it broke, like, and it just was like too bulky. Like, if you know me, I hate having phone cases on my phone, but I'm also not a dummy, so I'm gonna have a phone case on my phone. So I just got this black one that's like really sleek and thin, that it's like hardly feels like there's anything on your phone. And then I got a pop socket. I actually got a pack of 4 because it was cheaper than getting 1. So I got pop sockets. And I just really like the case. Like, it's really sleek. If you're one of those people that are like me and you don't like to have phone cases on your phone and you want something like sleek but still protecting, this is a great option. Also, just FYI, everything will be linked down below in the description box because I got you. You're welcome. Okay, so I picked up my favorite drugstore mascara, which is L'Oreal Telescopic. I ran out and I wanted more. It's kind of self-explanatory. Okay, next I wanted to try this lip gloss. This is Maybelline lip gloss with hyaluronic acid in it. It's not the shade I wanted because the shade I wanted was sold out, obviously, because it was so beautiful. But this is in the shade 001 Pearl. I did try this on. It's really cute. Actually, I'll just put some on now. Like, what the hell? The only thing I don't like about it is you can kind of feel like the sparkles on your lips, if you know what I mean. I mean, I don't like that. But it's like, it's really cute. It's good size. And they do like it is pretty. I'm gonna definitely go to the drugstore and look for that other one that I wanted. I think it was called like Soft Pink or something, but it was so, so cute. All right, next. I got this heel scrubber. I'm a dancer. Well, I used to be a dancer. So I don't have the best feet and my heels get like super cracked and dry and it's just like not fun. I don't like it. So I got this to keep my heels nice and smooth and pretty. So this one's, again, pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted nice heels. Okay, next are these game-changing amazingness. This is from NextCare, and they're the acne patches. So the thing I like about these, you could put these on and like go outside and no one knows because you don't have like pink drying lotion on your skin. Like these are like pretty much blend into your skin unless someone's like super close up to you, then they'd see it. And it just like sucks all the gunk out of your pimples and they're noticeably smaller. Like when you put it on at nighttime and you wake up in the morning, it's like significantly smaller. The only thing that no one told me, don't put your lotion and everything on first. Like put this on first and then put your lotion and stuff around it because it won't stick. I think that's kind of self-explanatory, but also it would be nice if someone told me that. So I'm gonna tell you guys that. But they're really good. They have 24 smaller ones and 12 bigger round ones. And they really are just like a complete game changer. These are really good. Okay, next I got Moroccan oil conditioner. I have the Moroccan oil purple shampoo for my hair and I love the smell of Moroccan oil. Like it just smells so good. So I wanted the conditioner, so I picked it up. All right, next I have this laptop cover, which I like because it has like a pocket right here in the front, which can hold my charger. Instead of me like having to put my charger in with my laptop because I don't want it to scratch. And it's nice and soft on the inside and it's cute. Matches my little gray vibe that I have. And I don't know, I like it. I just think it was cute. I need something good, like better than the one I have now for travel purposes. And this one honestly just looks better. So. Okay, another thing for my computer I got were these webcam covers. You can kind of see like that little black part slides so you can have it covered or not covered for when you need to use it, and it works really, really well. I have one on my computer now. It's great. This next one isn't that exciting, but it is exciting. So they are these silicone baking sheets. I use like a lot of parchment paper, honestly, like let's get real. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, I need it. I mean, I know it's gonna be annoying to like have to wash all the time, but I'd much rather like have to spend a couple more minutes washing it than like constantly use parchment paper. So I got a 2-pack of these, which I think will be really fun, especially with the holidays coming up and me baking cookies, because I like cookies, especially shortbread cookies. So, all right, last but not least is kind of like my favorite item I got. It's a dupe for that bag, I don't know what it's called, but the bag that you see everywhere on Instagram, like the little pouchy bag. You can have it as like, you can have it as like a side bag, or you can take these off or like tuck it in to the purse and make it like a clutch, which is also cute. This is the small one, and it's pretty large. It's pretty big in there, which I thought would just be Really cute, really trendy bag without spending like a bloody fortune I'm sure everyone else spends on like the actual bag. And I like the color of it. And it's just really cute. All right, and that is all for my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Also, if you like haul videos, let me know down below and I can do those more for you. Comment down below in the description box and I will see you guys next time. Peace.